Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're my subscriber and you're watching, thank you for your support. Simphiwe Ngema, she announced on a live that she is going to take it to do a mommy makeover since she just had a child. So she wants to touch up a bit her tummy for it to go back to the way it was. So I'm not sure if she already went there because her tummy looks great on the recent pictures that she posted. She looks like back then before. So I'm not sure, but yeah, she looks great. Maybe she did went, and if she did, they really did a great job because she still looks natural, looks still beautiful. So yeah, if they did it, they are the best in what they are doing because some procedures they can definitely ruin your body. Even if it's a mommy makeover, it can ruin your body. So if they did it, well, good for her. So yeah guys, see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.